warm welcome to the one and only निगम के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Clap यार.
कुछ चल रहा है. Splendid. Good evening to one and all. This is me Nigam in front of you all. How are you all? Hello dear people and companion. How are you all? I am not getting voice.
बोलो भाई.
Oh my God, oh my goodness, that's great. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Mr. Suraj sir and Mr. Sanjeev sir for having me this golden opportunities, as well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the companions, all the audience, all my dear companion who all are present over here. Today I am having a fantastic, fantabulous, marvelous, tremendous, grandiose, grandiloquent, splendid, resplendent, wonderful, beautiful, and the supercalifragilisticexpialidocious session, and that session name is question session. So ladies and gentlemen and all my dear companion, ask me question and I will give you the valid answer.
So who wants to ask the question first? You? Good.
According to you, in this generation, people like children should go school or not?
Oh my goodness, oh my God, that's fantastic question asked by Didi. Oh my God, really, I'm feeling like she's in a candy store over the moon on cloud 9 having a wheel of time. I would like to say, I would not like to say this from my mouth. Ladies and gentlemen, Didi is asking one really crucial question, and that is students should go in school or not, right?
Yes.
Yes, I would say yes. I would like to say, I would love to say, I would prefer to say, students should go to school daily. What is school first of all? School is a platform where all the students are getting knowledge. If they will not go to school, then how will they get knowledge? They will not go to school, they will become avara. They will become chore. They will become unpad and gawar. They will become pusillanimous. You know, ladies and gentlemen, in this generation, so many students are there. They are going to school. That's why they are able to educate themselves. That's why they are having a lots of knowledge. That's why they are talented. That's why they are gifted. That's why they are brilliant. That's why they are intelligent, because of going in school. This is question. This is question, guys, from all of you. If you all guys are not going to school, then how will you learn what is manners? What is good manners? Then how will you get knowledge? You are not going to school, you are sleeping like this on the bed and you are thinking, I will become Ambani. You are thinking, I will become actor. Oh my God. While sitting at home, how can you become an actor? How can you become a teacher? How can you cannot become a teacher. You can become cheater if you are not going to school. Ladies and gentlemen, going in school is really, really, really very important, and that can change your career, that can change your future, and that can change your life. This is the importance of going in the school. Thank you so much. If you are having a lot.
But if we can get this all information from online education also.
But you know, dear Didi, I would like to say one thing. I would like to say one thing. If you are taking online classes, there your brother will come. Your brother will say, oh my God, I have to play the PUBG. Then I will say to my brother, don't play PUBG, otherwise you will sell sabji. So your brother will disturb you. If you are taking online classes, your brother will come again and again, over and over. Your brother will say, hey Didi, give me this. Your brother will beat you. Your brother will try to fight with you. That's why we should not take online classes. I think offline classes is better than online classes. Now what's your opinion? Let me know.
Okay, ask another question. Ask another question. Yeah.
से पूछिए या नहीं?
You can ask. You all guys are free for asking any kind of question. That can be love, that can be future, that can be education, anything. Okay.
If you get a chance to change your life, what part would you change it?
Yes.
Okay.
I could not hear you. Could you please repeat?
If you get a chance to change your life, what part would you change it?
First of all, if I get chance to change my life, oh my God, oh my goodness, I will find one girlfriend. You know, guys, I will find, because already I have gotten this platform, so I don't need to choose anything, because already I have gotten this best platform, Suraj Ki Srishti. So
past, present, or future?
Yeah.
I will change the present moment.
Are you not happy?
Do you?
No, sir. That's why. I am fed up with my life, guys. Really. Because no one is giving me respect in this generation. What is happening with me? I am befogged, bemused, perplexed, and tangled. I am really confused. I would like to change. I would like to change. I would like to change one present moment, you know, guys. Because I have to make my personality. I will do something. I want to become actor. I will work hard. I am being lazy, listless, torpor, indolence, couch potato. I will try to become hard worker. I will try to become sedulous, industrious in my life. And I would like to change myself in future, not in future. I would like to change myself in present moment. Because in the generation, in this generation, guys, so many people are saying me Nalla. In the mohalla, there is Allah, I am Nalla. So many people are saying me Nalla, Nalla. I want to change my life, really. I want to change my personality, because I want to become an actor. Nowadays, my mummy is saying me, donkey, hey donkey, get out from here. Oh my God, what is happening with me? You know, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to change myself. I would like to change myself. I would like to change my personality, and I would try to become hard worker. Because nowadays I am being lazy, listless, torpid, indolence, couch potato. That's why I would like to change myself. Thank you so much. If you are having another question, you can ask. Thank you.
Like my second question is why people should join New Generation Institute?
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. That's fantastic. That's an amazing question asked by you, really. I would like to say one thing. Why should people join? This is question. Why should people join Suraj Ki Srishti and New Generation Institute? I would like to say people should join for becoming like me. If they want to become actor, if they want to become doctor, if they want to become director, they should come here. They must come here. They should enroll themselves. They should come here in the heartbeat into 6 of Lamsel in less than no time, at the drop of the hat. They should come here and they will get to deliver the speech on the stage, and they will feel over the moon. They will feel on cloud 9. They will get chance to speak English in front of so many people. Oh my God, they will really feel fantastic. They will really feel amazing. They will really feel supercalifragilisticexpialidocious when they will come here and when they will join this institute. Everyone should join this institute. Only this institute, because here sir is giving opportunities. Sir is giving facilities. Sir is making the students do different and unique activities. This is the value of this institute. I am being able to speak English. अगर आप हकला रहे हो, अगर आप तुतला रहे हो, अगर आप इंग्लिश को बोल नहीं पा रहे हो, you should come here. Ladies and gentlemen, you must come here. जब हम स्टेज पर जाते हैं, हम हकलाते हैं, हम तुतलाते हैं, हम लड़खड़ाते हैं और हम इंग्लिश बोल नहीं पाते हैं. This is a platform where you can become an impactful and an effective public speaker. This is a platform, and this platform has changed my life. Before I used to stammering, I used to lisping, I used to limping, I used to fighting shy of going in the stage earlier. Before I used to think how to speak English, but now I can speak English with confidence. I am a confident boy because of this institute. This is the benefit of joining this Suraj Ki Srishti, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say one more thing. I would like to add one more thing. अगर आप भी अपनी लाइफ में करना चाहते हो साइन, अरे भैया भाभी, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, भाई और बहनों, अगर आप भी अपनी लाइफ में करना चाहते हो साइन तो जल्दी से आ जाओ। अगर आप भी अपनी लाइफ में करना चाहते हो साइन, जल्दी से आ जाओ। अगर न्यू जनरेशन को कर लो ज्वाइन। Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. If you
Energetic warm welcome to the one and only Mohus Rakli. जोरदार तालियां भाई।
This golden opportunity to stand and speak here in front of you all, and also thanks to all my audience to listening me and giving me your precious time. So today is the question session in class, so ask me any question and I will give you answer.
What's your favorite part of your life and still you miss it?
Okay. It's a nice question. Like my favorite part is my childhood. Like when I have no the pressure of studies and only I play, and my like my imagination is also good that time. So it's the best part of my life.
Another question.
Anyone?
Hey Didi, excuse me. Good evening. I would like to ask one question from you. That which marriage is good? Which marriage is better? Love marriage is better than arranged marriage, or arranged marriage is better than love marriage? What's your opinion and perspective?
Okay, it's a nice question again by Nigam. Like according to me, like a love marriage is better in this generation, because like in the love marriage we know the second person, we know the his qualities, his badness and everything. But in the arranged marriage, only like our parents see his income, his job. Like if he had the government job, so they said like he is the better person for you. But like in this generation, like so many people have their future, and जो वो इंसान होगा तो जो वो लड़का होगा तो वो ये नहीं अपने पास्ट नहीं बताएगा कि मेरे क्या क्या था उसके पास्ट में, वो चीजें ऐसी चीजें होती है कि मतलब
You are going to get married, that person is not going to let you be updated about the ex-girlfriend or with whom he is in the relationship with the present moment, because he is just going to get married. So that's why he will not let you know about that things.
yes sir.
आप नहीं बोलते।
चलेगा ना थोड़े से ठीक है. So that's why arranged marriage is scary that time. Like if he had so many like he have so many girlfriends in the past, and now after marriage girl know about him, like he had so many girlfriends, so she is become sad and like छोटी मोटी बातों पे वो एंग्री हो जाए. So after angry he start scolding you. It's also the very scaredness. And in love marriage we already know about his feelings, like which time he become happy, which time he become sad, and like if the attachment and he or she never think about anything, it's a very it's like an attachment, and it's better sometimes if you have both side attachment. But like if you only think about him, like you forget your study, your family, your career, so it's time like that time you think like that time you destroy your own life, because no one want you, only you want someone, and you forget your meal and everything. So it's too bad. So it's better, like it's bad for our life.
It can destroy our future, right?
It can be.
Can make our present also worse.
Yes, it can be.
Because you are not in the present moment. What you should do.
Yes, because you are not in the present moment. So
Neither you are in the
what do you
present moment, nor you are going to be in the future.
future? When you want, like Christmas is the Christians festive, no? So you should go the church, and if you want to like travel, so you go anywhere. Like मैं गई नहीं हूँ बस. You go. देखो सिटी को छोड़ के वही तो मैं गई हूँ एक ही बार गई थी मैं फ्लैग सिटी गई हूँ मैं. हाँ, मुझे याद नहीं. कोई और क्वेश्चन है?
चर्च के दिन चर्च पार्टी
चर्च के दिन नहीं होता, चर्च के दिन नहीं होता.